Hi, my name is Heather and I work for Welland Public Library, and today we're bringing you virtual Wiggles and Giggles, which is a sensory program for parents and babies with different sensory bins or trays that you can make at home, and sort of like touchy-feely five senses kind of thing for babies. So we'll do our first little bit for the kiddos, and then we'll talk about what's in this week's sensory bin. The theme I picked was yellow, and you'll see why. It's pretty easy. And you can pick any color, but I just picked yellow because I've done it before. So we clap and say hello. We clap and say hello to all our friends here today. We clap and say hello. We wave and say hello. We wave and say hello to all our friends here today. We wave and say hello. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, place them in our lap, lap, lap. So I've got a few little rhymes, and I tried to pick ones with the word yellow in it. So here's our first one. Blue is the lake, yellow is the sun, silver are the stars when the day is done. Red is the apple, green is the tree, and brown is the cookie for you and me. All right. Way up high in the apple tree, two little apples smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could, and down came the apples. They were good. Green says, go, go, go. Yellow says, slow, slow, slow. And red says, stop. All right, so this is to the tune of I'm a little teapot. I'm a little dump truck, shiny and yellow. When I go out driving, I'm a happy fellow. When the rain comes down, I splash through the puddles. I turn my wipers on all around the town. When I see a red light, I stop on a dime. When I see a green light, I know it's driving time. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. So, today's theme is yellow, as I said. So, it's kind of hard to see here, but it is all yellow themed stuff in the bin. You could do this wet, you could do it dry. I did it dry because that's easier. It's cornmeal. You could do oatmeal as well. You would cook it, and then if they eat it, that's good. Okay. If they eat the cornmeal, that's okay too. Nothing bad will happen. Might not taste so great for them, so they might try it once and go, no thanks. You could also do cornflakes for yellow. You could do dry pasta. I've done mixed different types of pasta, which is really nice texturally feeling option. Or you could cook the pasta, and then if they eat it, that's okay too. So, so that's for yellow. So let's see what's in the yellow bin. I try to put a container in my bins all the time because then kids like to pour and scoop with spoons and cups and things. So that's fun. Got just a dollar store flour. I literally run around the house and find anything that will fit the theme. So a piece of felt, a sponge, little character, foam letters. We've got pom-poms, Duplo blocks, squishy ball, these little toy trucks, an excavator, what else, ribbon, puzzle piece, crayon, another little puzzle piece or blocks. I've got another block in here somewhere. Here it is. So anything that's yellow. So you could do the same for red. You could dye your oatmeal red if you wanted. You could do red jello. You could do blue jello. If you are going to cook the pasta or the oatmeal, it's going to get goopy, which is okay, but then you're going to have to wash all of the little toys off. So if you want to do that and you don't mind, go for it. That's fun too. And it just provides a different texture. So this one's like sand, basically. The other one will be kind of like slimy. But some kids like that, some kids don't like the messy stuff. So it just depends what you want to put in it. And so some stuff in here is squishy and soft. some is hard, and you just, depending on what you put in it, you gotta watch what they're gonna eat or whatever. But if you're, say, in the kitchen, put a plastic tablecloth down or a towel, and I wouldn't leave the room for too long because it's gonna end up everywhere. But if you're gonna be doing dishes or housework or whatever, and this just occupies them for quite a while, so they might like scooping and putting this, maybe have another tray and they can scoop it all into the other tray. Or if you're gonna make it messy, then that'll be fine too. So that's it, yellow. Why not? It's fall color. All right, well, thanks for joining us. We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye to all our friends here today. We wave and say goodbye. Thanks for joining us. Next week we'll bring you another sensory bin idea.